Abdomen sign and symptoms, hypochondrial pain. Hypochondrial pain. This refers to pain in two lateral areas of the upper abdomen below the rib cage. Liver qi stagnation. Hypochondrial and pain and distension without a fixed location and coming going according to the emotional state. Irritability, moodiness, feeling of lumps in the throat, premenstrual tension, and wiry pulse. Acupuncture, gallbladder 34, liver 3, and gallbladder 24. Damp heat in the liver and gallbladder. Hypochondrial pain, distension and fullness, bitter taste, poor appetite, nausea, feeling of heaviness of the body, yellow vaginal discharge, vaginal itching, with cycle bleeding and or pain, burning and urination and dark urine. Yellow complexion and eyes, vomiting, red tongue with reader's side, and unilateral or bilateral sticky yellow coating. Wiry, slippery, rapid pulse. Acupuncture, gallbladder 34, gallbladder 43, REN 9, spleen 9, large intestine 11, and gallbladder 24. Liver blood stasis. Stabbing hypochondrial pain with fixed location that is worse at night. Painful period, menstrual blood, dark and clotted. Masses in the abdomen, purple nails and lips, purple or dark complexion, purple tongue, and wiry or firm pulse. Liver yin deficiency. Dull hypochondrial pain that is alleviated by rest. Dizziness, numbness or tingling of the limbs, insomnia, blurred vision, floaters in the eyes, dry eyes, diminished night vision, scanty menstruation or amenorrhea. Dull pale complexion without luster but with red cheekbones, muscular weakness, cramps, withered and brittle nails, very dry skin and hair, night sweating, depression, feeling of aimlessness, normal colored tongue without coating, fine or floating empty pulse. Lasser-Young syndrome. Hypochondrial pain and distension, alteration of chills and feeling of heat, bitter taste, dry throat, blurred vision, irritability, nausea, unilateral sticky tongue coating, and wiry pulse. Phlegm fluids in the hypochondrium. Hypochondrial pain that is worse on coughing and breathing. Feeling of distension and filling of the hypochondrium. Shortness of breath, swollen tongue with sticky coating, deep, slippery, wiry pulse. Clinical note. Never ask a patient about pain in the hypochondrium as he or she may not know what area you mean. Rather, point to the area you mean. Thank you for your attention.